Hi, my name is Cindy Lai. I'm a personal trainer and fitness instructor. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite moves called the windmill. You might have seen me do it with a kettlebell, which is great once you learn how to master the proper technique. Any exercise you do and any movement, you should be able to understand the proper mechanics before ever loading your body. So the reason why this is one of my favorite exercises is because it addresses flexibility, strength, stability in different ranges of motion, which you're normally not accustomed to. You want to make sure, in order to keep your body safe and healthy for the long run, you want to keep your body strong in different planes of motion, not just one plane. So the great thing about the windmill, it helps with shoulder stability and the shoulder girdle. All right, it works on those lateral muscles. So it's also a hip hinge. You open up your thoracic, your spine, and you're also hinging forward, but again, sideways. You're also strengthening your core, okay, on the side and the lower back. So there's a lot of great benefits to this exercise. So let's begin. So again, my name is Cindy Lai. I am a personal trainer and fitness instructor. And so what I want you to do is I want you to point both feet about 45 degrees, slightly wider than shoulder width. Okay, you might have to adjust your feet accordingly because depending on what type of issues you might have in terms of immobility, adjust accordingly. So your body's probably not going to look the same as mine. All right, so the first thing I want you to do is I want you to jet your hip out and back. All right, keep a slight bend in your legs, like it shouldn't be completely locked. A micro bend is good. So as you jet your hip back, keep your back straight, abs stay nice and tight. You can place your hands across your chest just so you understand this movement. So as you lean forward, try to keep the back straight, open up the chest. Okay, so how far you go, it depends on your flexibility. All right, and then come all the way back up. Okay, don't forget to breathe. So again, hips back, okay, send the butt back, weight goes in the heel, open up that chest, keep the back straight. So again, you might not go very far. So again, depending on your flexibility, okay, it's gonna look different for all of us. Okay, now the second part, as you hinge from the bottom. Okay, so find the position where you can't go anymore. Keep that chest open. You're going to reach that left arm up, right arm down. Okay, so think about stacking the shoulders. Now, if you have tight hamstrings, this might be very difficult. What I want you to do is I want you to bend that front leg. Okay, so again, you're still sending your hips back, opening up that chest, opening up that back. All right, this is my more flexible side. My other side is not as flexible. So again, sending the hips back, opening up that chest, okay? Front leg can be bent, reach the arm on the inside, stack the shoulders. Take a deep breath. So again, keep the weight in the heel. As you come back up, your arm is going to rotate inwards. So again, as you come down, your shoulder girdle is going to externally rotate. So again, look at my top arm, my left arm. So again, sending the hips back. Keep reaching up at the finger. Look up at the fingers. Look up at the hands, send the hips back. Can you stay in this position? Take a deep breath and exhale, come all the way back up. So it's an internal, slightly internal, external rotation. Okay, so everything's going to be moving. So this is a movement that we're going to practice in my class tomorrow, which I'm really excited about. I've been streaming live classes for mobility on Sundays, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, on my Facebook page, CindyLaiFitness, and also on my Instagram Live. So it's open to all levels. You do what you can, and I look forward to seeing you. So hope you're staying well and staying healthy, and let's get mobile tomorrow.